In the first week of December, between 8th and 12th of December, I plan to be in Muscat in the Sultanate of Oman. Those who would like to see me in Oman can get in touch with my team. There's a WhatsApp number given below and there's an email ID also given below. So those desirous of getting in touch with me at the Sultanate of Oman, especially in the city of Muscat from 8th to 12th of December, can definitely contact me there. I hope to see you all in Oman soon. Thank you for watching. Be rich.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Rich. Today I thought we'll talk about something interesting which has been making the rounds on all the medias. Is this thing about Mr.beast being actually worth $1.5 billion? I wanted to ask Anand today, is it possible that YouTube can make you a billionaire?
Not me. I don't think I'm ever going to be a point where I'm going to be a billionaire of YouTube. Or I don't think I'll ever be a billionaire in my own lifetime.
First of all, we should add the caveat, me and Anand are not consumers of Mr.Beast's channel, so
Yeah.
we really have no clue about
And
what
I do
drives his
not know
audience.
Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast is a guy who does a lot of stunts.
Correct.
And he has
Clickbait videos.
Yeah. And he has a huge subscriber base.
Correct.
He is the fifth largest subscriber base in entire YouTube.
Correct.
And he is the largest earner in
terms of ad revenue
share. Plus he has four more other channels.
True.
Plus Spanish channel which has 33 million followers.
Correct. He has 82 million subscribers.
So he's somebody who's very huge.
The other 5 channels, and in his main channel he has 109 million YouTube.
Yeah, so we are talking of somebody who has a following of 200 million.
Correct.
A million is 10 lakhs to just give you an idea.
Correct.
So his videos are hugely popular.
Correct.
And he did something called a real Squid game.
Real life Squid game.
Which cost him a lot of
$3.5 million to produce.
$3.5 million to produce.
Yeah, and the prize money was almost $500,000.
So, and the price money, this is obscene amount of money.
Correct.
And he said last year somewhere that he spends $4 million
True.
in making videos content.
True.
And this year he is spending $8 million.
True.
And most of YouTube has a generous ad sharing content of 55%
with him.
So between 30 and 55% for most people.
True.
But his $1.5 billion valuation is not coming from YouTube. What he has done is he has created other lines of businesses.
True.
He has set up a snack shop and some other businesses.
Mr.Beast
Burger.
Food chain, yeah.
He has a food chain. And he has some snack company for which he has taken money from some venture capital.
Yeah, sugar capital.
Whatever is that company.
Yeah.
And then what he is saying is he is now creating a content company which is valued at $1.5 billion. And he is trying to raise capital at that value.
True.
Unlike other startups which make no profits, he has already made profits and he has shown $54 million as net cash. So he has got cash. Now the question is whether he can ramp up with more capital, whether he can ramp up and grow faster.
True.
There is a problem because social media revenues are coming down, ad revenues are coming down.
Very true.
Google has suffered itself.
Very true. And YouTube is owned by Google.
YouTube is owned by Google. And Google as a platform is going for short videos, is where they are now getting maximum viewership.
Fighting TikTok.
Yeah, people have got a shorter attention span.
True.
So how much videos he will be able to generate
on that kind of a format
is something which is to be seen. Because most of his format is giving things away free to a lot of people.
And long videos, yes.
And so these are long video formats.
Correct.
And the world has moved away from long video format to a short video format.
True.
And then to make people see, every time he has to keep spending more and more.
True.
So it's like the snake eating its own tail.
Very true.
Without it realizing,
yes,
you are cannibalizing your own.
Yes.
Your own tail.
Yes, because you have got your audience on a hook. And you need to give them a bigger bang each time.
Each time you need a higher burst of dopamine. The channel needs a bigger dopamine effect.
Correct. Something more wow.
So something more wow means more money,
Make it
more
go viral.
adventurous, make it better. There's a limit to it.
Very true.
Most of the other content creators who have gone down this route have met with disaster.
Very true.
So he has two choices. Either to stay back and tone down a bit and spend less, or use VC money to grow more rapidly and fast. That's what he has done. Though in an interview he said, even if I don't put any more videos,
The revenue from
the previous videos can make me retire for life.
But that begs a question. Everyone says YouTube is dead. I mean, not dead. It's dying.
It's slowing down.
Slowing down because of TikTok and the change in the social media environment. Like what's happening to Facebook will eventually happen to YouTube. That people are being restricted and content creators are being restricted, and all this revenue ads, which are too many ads being pumped into the channel, that YouTube is consuming, like how you said, itself and is dying. And if that is the case, what is the future for someone like who's solely built on this channel alone, and his content is based on these wow factors and pleasing the algorithm? What
That
happens
is
when
very difficult because, see,
he doesn't control the algorithm? That's what I'm trying to say. He doesn't control the platform.
You don't control the platform, you don't control the algorithm, though you have the best platform.
Because anytime Google feels like it, they can switch him off, switch
Yes.
off his revenue.
But they won't do it because he's
Right now, that's
contributing.
right now he's in friends. He's friends with them.
But the point is, if Google suffers,
Correct.
what will happen to him is the question.
True.
All this is going to make things more and more difficult. And so this is why, if I were a venture capitalist,
Correct. That's what I wanted.
why will I vote for him? Why will I put my money for him? Being a content creator myself, I know it does not take much to create content.
True.
So he is not creating content from his within. He is basically splurging money, hoping that somebody will pay more.
True.
So this is like greater fool theory.
Correct.
I spend 8 million. I hope people watching me will give 16
It's like a digital Ponzi scheme.
It's an initial Ponzi scheme. So when I expected this tightening of ad revenue this year, which has happened,
True.
because the whole world will go through a recession.
Yes.
So whether he will
People's
be
spending will contract.
yes, whether he will survive that period, whether people don't continue to take a fancy for him is something which we'll have to wait and watch. So he'll have to create bigger and bigger content. That is, if he has done something great today, the next event has to be further more than this.
Correct.
It's like Houdini's magic act. He had to do bigger and more difficult act every time.
Correct. To draw the audience in.
Yeah. So whether he will choose to stay quiet and live off what he has made, or whether he will use venture capital to try to grow faster is the question, which he has said that he is ready to grow faster by taking more money. So whether what will happen to it is something we will have to wait and watch, because people will expect bigger and bigger things from him. So if you are spending 8 million this year, you'll have to spend 16 million.
So I think we can safely conclude, just based on YouTube videos and YouTube,
It is very
difficult to become a billionaire.
Even with just looking at YouTube, very difficult to be successful.
Anyway, I hope that answers your questions, everyone.
Thank you for watching Be Rich. If you like this video, hit the like button, press the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification. If you do not turn on the bell notification, you will not be notified every time we put out a video. Once again, I thank you for your support for Be Rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.